Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sauce using tomato. Start with fresh, ripe tomatoes, about 2 pounds for a good batch. Wash them well, then core and remove any blemishes. You can dice them finely or crush them by hand for a rustic texture. Have your olive oil, a few cloves of minced garlic, and your favorite herbs like basil or oregano ready. This initial preparation is key to building a flavorful foundation for your delicious homemade tomato sauce. Now, let's build some flavor. Heat about 2 tablespoons of good olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add 2 or 3 cloves of minced garlic. Sauté for about 1 minute until it's wonderfully fragrant, being careful not to burn it. If you like, add a small, finely diced onion and cook until it's translucent and soft, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. It's time to add our star ingredient. Pour your prepared tomatoes into the pot with the sautéed aromatics. Stir in about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and your chosen herbs like dried oregano or a bay leaf. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Let it cook for at least 30 minutes or even up to an hour, stirring occasionally to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. Almost there. Give your sauce a taste and adjust the salt, pepper, or any other seasonings to your preference. If you're using fresh basil, stir in about 1/4 cup of chopped leaves during the last 5 minutes of cooking for vibrant flavor. For a smoother consistency, you can use an immersion blender directly in the pot. Your delicious, homemade tomato sauce is now ready to enjoy with pasta, pizza, or any dish you desire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.